If you have a shipping container you would like to convert into a home, office, cabin, restaurant, or even something for Airbnb, I'm your guy. My name is Rukie Agyeman, and I convert shipping containers into eco-friendly homes, offices, and cabins. I am an ardent supporter of sustainable living, and so a few years ago when I imported some goods from abroad, I had 2 containers that were on site. I decided to turn these containers into offices, and that is how my journey started. After converting these 2 containers into an office, a lot of people approached me to do the same thing for them. Now, having an interior design background, this was very easy to accomplish. Ever since building for other people using shipping containers, I've also dabbled or experimented with unconventional ways of building such as wood, steel pipes, and EPS wall panels. First, you give us a call and then we have a meeting with you. In the meeting, we'll try and figure out what your vision for your shipping container is. Once we've decided on that, all we have to do is to come up with a plan. Once we have the plan in place and the client agrees to it, we go to the construction period. Now, we can do homes and offices using maybe 1, 2, or 3 containers depending on the client's preference. Once we decide on this, we can start welding works. This is where we cut out the windows, doors, etc. The next stage is where we insulate it so that the container doesn't become hot, because we live in a very hot climate. So we don't want you to be very warm inside. We also provide air conditioning and then ventilation such as windows, louvers, etc. so you don't die. Now what is left is tiling, cladding, installation of your kitchen, your bathroom fixtures. Yes, you can bath in a container. And also you can decide whether you want to clad the exterior of the container so it doesn't look like a container. You also have different options when it comes to roofing. In terms of electricity, you can also have solar power, etc., etc. I believe that containers will be the future of housing because we are all striving towards a sustainable living model. Also, I believe that shipping containers can be used to solve the housing crisis in Accra and in Africa in general. Thank you.